In this video, we're going to be covering Rockwell beard hardware. So of course, Rockwell has a full line of beard products, including the beard oil, the beard conditioner, and the beard body bar. Great scents, beautiful products. But in this video, I want to focus on hardware. And the idea with hardware, it's an investment to take care of your beard. And frankly, every guy with a beard should have these critical pieces of beard hardware. Okay, so the first item we're going to cover is the Rockwell beard brush. This is a great quality natural fiber brush with a bamboo handle and a little travel bag. The idea with the brush is that no matter what kind of beard you have, you want to make sure that you're exfoliating the skin underneath, otherwise it can get dry and chappy. And also what it does is it's great to spread the product, either the beard conditioner or the beard oil, throughout the beard while giving it a great cleaning. So that's our top recommended piece of beard hardware. Okay, so the next item is the beard shaper. Now this is a pear wood beard shaper designed for customers to use at home, consumers to use at home. And it has a regular, obviously a comb to be able to comb out your beard, but the real benefit is the shaper. So the idea is that, let's say you don't have a tool like this and you're trying to kind of, clean out your beard. Well, you still need to shave part of your face, and what might happen is if you go too far down on one time, you go too far down on the other time, the next thing you know, you have no more beard. So what a shaper does is lets you pick exactly where you want your line and be able to line it up so that you do the two sides of your face nice and evenly. It has a curve shape, but you can also do that kind of Drake cut if you want to do like a straight line. And also for your neck, it's great because you can say, I'm only going to shave this part of my neck. So super useful tool. Now, if you are a barber service provider, we do have a plastic version of this that can be dipped in barbicide and therefore used in service. The next item is the Rockwell foldable mustache and beard comb. Now this is really for mustache, kind of more fine detail work if you really want to kind of have that nice brushed out look. Super cool, hand cut comb, great item for you to carry. Okay, now the last item is kind of awesome, and I have to be honest with you. This might not be for the guy himself with a beard. It might be for his partner, whoever's living with him, whoever's sharing a bathroom, and that is the beard bib. The idea behind the beard bib is basically it's like a bib. You just hang it on the suction cups, and when you're clipping your beard and trimming your beard, all the hair falls into the bib. And then it's very easy for you to dispose of it, keeping the bathroom clean. This has quickly become one of our top selling beard tools. We highly recommend you offer it to your customers, but think of it as a great gifting item. It's fun and it's super practical. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in carrying any of these products in your retail shop, please contact us at permabrands.com, or if you're a barber or barbershop, at barbersupplies.com.